Welcome to 1000 Findlay. This is a new building, still under renovation. Welcome to 1000 Findlay, apartment 203. This is a studio apartment on the second floor. As soon as you walk in, we have the kitchen over here. This is brand new. Will be finished in the next few days. We have stainless steel appliances, washer drying unit, microwave, lots of cabinetry.